What's going on, everybody? My name is Ben and welcome back to the 1K giveaway. Today we are choosing our 3 winners for this drawing and we are going to jump right on in, waste no time at all. Let's find out who wins some kits. So I've gone ahead and downloaded a random number generator here on my phone. We are all set to go ahead and pull 3 numbers between 1 and 52. I had 52 people that actually wanted to be entered into the drawing. So I put all of those names onto an Excel spreadsheet, and each of those rows correspond to a number I will draw. So we're going to go ahead and just use that number generator and pull 3 numbers. First place, of course, will have a choice of any of the 4 kits. Second place will have the choice of the 3 remaining kits. And the third place will have a choice of the last 2 remaining kits. That way everybody has a choice and hopefully everyone walks away happy. So let's go ahead and jump into the very first number draw. Let's grab our phone. All right, here we are from 1 to 52. We're not going to be repeating any numbers. Let's go ahead and draw our very first number for the 1K giveaway. Just got to hit this button right here and it should draw our very first number. So drum roll, please. And our number is number 41. Okay, let's look over on our spreadsheet. Number 41 is Al from Al Wood's Modeling Mayhem. Very cool. Awesome. Congratulations, Al. You have won the very first choice here of the 1K giveaway. All I need you to do is drop me an email, let me know what kit you're interested in, and we will take it from there. So awesome. Congratulations, Al. Now let's go ahead and choose our second number here. Drum roll, please. We have number 9. Okay, number 9 on the list corresponds to Papa Dan's Models. Dan, awesome. Congratulations, buddy. So just like Al, if you could, Dan, please send me an email. Let me know the models that you're interested in. Just in case Al chooses your number 1 choice, at least send me 2 of your choices and we'll take it from there. All right, let's go ahead and draw our third and final number here on the 1K giveaway. Drum roll, please. Lucky number 13. And that corresponds to... Oh, it's Bill from WWK Scale Plastic Models. Very cool. Congratulations, Bill. Awesome. Just like Dan and Al, if you could just send me an email, let me know what kits you're interested in. You might want to give me 3 kits just in case Al and Dan both choose one that you were actually looking at. Just go ahead and send me that. And also, all of you, please send me your mailing address so I can go ahead and get that sent out to you. So just as a reminder, let's take a look at the kits that you have up for grabs. We are starting with the 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT8, so 1/25th scale by AMT. It's a curbside kit, so there's no engine detail, but it looks like a really fun kit. Next up, we have a 1/35th scale T3485 by Zvezda. Very cool looking tank. For you armor modelers out there, you guys are going to be able to do awesome things with this. So another beautiful model. Moving on here to the 1/48 scale F6F3 Hellcat. This is the early version of Hellcat. It's a very fun little kit. It's going to make a great out-of-the-box build, so hopefully someone enjoys this one as well. And lastly, we have the 1/48 scale FJ4B Fury, one of my favorite Cold War jets here for the Navy. An amazing kit filled with resin and white metal and just all sorts of awesomeness. So if you could, please, Al, Dan, and Bill, go ahead and drop me an email. Let me know what kits you're interested in, and also make sure to include your address so I can go ahead and mail this off to you. And hopefully, I'll get you something special in the box as well. Again, thank you to each and every one of my subscribers for joining in on this 1K giveaway. And also, if you didn't join in, thank you anyway for subscribing, for commenting, and for being a part of my channel. I couldn't have gotten to 1,000 without all of you amazing people. I really appreciate it. And if I could give everyone a model kit, I totally would. So anyway, that's going to go ahead and do it for us here on the 1K giveaway. Again, a huge congratulations to Al, Dan, and Bill. Thank you guys for joining in, and I really hope you enjoy your model kits. So we'll go ahead and see you back here on the next episode of Ben Builds. So until then, go out, get yourself some bench time, have some fun. We'll see you back here on the next episode of Ben Builds. Thank you so much, everybody. We'll see you soon.